Okay, so product number 2 that I worked on in my web development experience is Premium Connect. So what is Premium Connect? It's a client acquisition software for businesses who want the tech done for them. Okay, so we basically set up the flow, the sales funnel flow for them, and then we help them to maintain their system as well. So some examples here: anyone who wants to sell one-on-one high ticket coaching, membership areas, product launches, live events or webinars. Okay, and so these are the sort of things that we set up for them. So I created this product myself as a one-man team, and it's now being used by people. Now if I run this automated test, it'll give you an idea of what the GUI looks like. So you've got your normal login, and then you've got your menus. Okay, it's a simple and easy to use. If we get down here into the code base, then you can see I'm using Django here. So some of the modules include the LinkedIn cron for when we do cron automations, LinkedIn automations, and then we've got the base, we've got the email module, the funnels module, the helpers, the main module, the portal module. Okay, I'll give you a quick run through here. So here's my portal for simonmcdowell.com here, but for every client that I set up, they get their own logos and their own styling and coloring, layout, branding. Okay, takes you to the main page. Okay, from here people can switch funnels. So we create actual funnels for them, different types of funnels. They can switch their funnel. There's 3 main sections. You've got your CRM section for your users and learning modules, and then the next section is for the settings, all of your actual funnel settings. And then the other section here is content creation, where they want to create blog posts or create resources or create social links, this sort of thing. Okay, so let's go for an example in here into users. We'll see the site users. So this is everyone that signs up for them. They're keeping track of all their payments, and these are all the different funnels and who has access to those funnels. So if we go into one of these customers here, for example, Scott Jones, and we can see that he has signed up for USD $10 a month. Okay, and this is the product that he signed up for. If we view here, then it takes us through to the Stripe checkout cart where we can manage his payments in here. Okay, let's have a look at some of the funnels this builds. So if we go to funnel editor and then emails and then view the web page. Okay, so these are the basic landing pages. You've got your titles, you've got your CTA button, you've got a video here which pops up a YouTube video, you've got your bullets, and you've got a bit of a story here. You've got video sections where you can add extra details, and then you've got your testimonials there. Okay, a few more features here. So if you want to create emails for the email sequence, when you take a sign up and then you create an email sequence, then you can add your emails here. For example, this one has 1 email, and this is the content of the email, and then you can edit it here using the HTML editor. Okay, and then once you sign someone up, then you can look into the leads section, and this keeps track of all your leads. Okay, and you can also send emails out to that email list. Another nice feature of Premium Connect is this AI funnel builder. Okay, so for example, if we want to take bookings, then we run through this wizard which creates the AI prompt. After that, we hit submit, and then it goes to the OpenAI API, and it sends back all the data for the funnel, which is targeted for their niche. So for example, we're trying to, the funnel type is for a product demo, and then we put the funnel name in here, description of the funnel, and then once we submit it, and then it comes back and it just creates a sales funnel for them. Okay, back into the main menu. So it's also got a payments section as well. So here you've got all of these separate payments, $50, $997, $500. Okay, so if you want to create a new payment, you can just go into here, add a new payment plan. Okay, enter in the details, and then you've got a payment. So if we want to have a look at this one, the $50 a month, if we click on the Stripe link, right, it takes us through to the cart, to the Stripe cart, which is configured for each client. Okay, and there's so many other features here. You've got your email configuration if you want to set up your own private email service. So normally we use our custom email to send emails, but if a client wants, then they can have theirs configured for them. You've got your branding here where you can change all your logos and your coloring, the payments I showed you, and then you've got your general settings up here. And then for clients, once they get people inside their portal, then they can go into the CRM where they can have learning modules here, where they can upload their classes, their videos, and so forth as a historical thing where people can interact, they can ask questions, they can make portal announcements for their customers and their users. And so in the modules, if you go into a module, then you can see that there's questions where people can interact with the coach or the consultant and ask questions. So that's a quick overview of what the Premium Connect CRM can do, and this is the project that I've been working on for the last 2 years. It's been a one-man show, just myself doing this, and I've been also doing the marketing for this on my own as well. So it's been keeping me busy. Like I said, it's all Python using Django, and hopefully you can see some of the skills that I can bring to your business and your company. So if you're interested, just keep watching some more videos.